Development Manager here at Theatr Clwyd, and the cinema is a really important part of the offer that we have here at Theatr Clwyd. We're not just a theatre, we have a cinema, we are an art centre that provides an awful lot of opportunity for people to experience various types of entertainment. So Theatr Clwyd is actually celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. So we opened in 1976. So this year is a really special year for us. And it really demonstrates the longevity of the theatre in terms of how people have always supported the work here. And we have recently undergone a significant refurbishment and refit. So the theatre had reached its point where the building was starting to creak a bit and things weren't operating as efficiently as we needed it to. So thanks to a £50 million capital campaign, we are now in a fully refurbished and fit for purpose and fit for future generations building, which has two theatres, our Moondance Theatre and our Western Theatre, a cinema, and it has a number of opportunities for people to hire spaces. We have the amazing Bryn Williams restaurant, and we are a theatre that really is operating for its community and beyond. So it's just been great to see, since we opened in June last year, people coming back to the theatre and saying things like, it's so good to see you back, it's great to see the beautiful building. I mean, the architecture of the building is just stunning. It's a beautiful place just to come and visit and have a coffee, never mind come and see something. And because we're so uniquely positioned, we're at the top of the hill, outside of Mould. We look out towards the Moel Famau mountain and the wonderful mountain range. You see the seasons from such wonderful aspects from the theatre. It really is a special place. And we're really priding ourselves in the fact that we're working hard to make sure that we have something for everyone. This is where people come to connect. It's where people come to experience a sense of being and experience a sense of being able to really enjoy the creative arts in a way that isn't offered in the locality in the way that we offer it here at Theatr Clwyd. And I think we're really lucky that we have not only a dedicated audience of people who've been coming to the theatre for 50 years in some cases. We've just gone through some wonderful stories where people have shared their experiences of the theatre over the last 5 decades. And we're bringing through that new audience of young people and offering cinema, theatre, creative engagement opportunities that really gives that sense of the value of theatre and the importance of the creative arts, but also that it's a place where people come to connect. It's a place where people come to meet and to experience art in so many different ways. So our cinema space is ever evolving. We've been open for 6 months now. We're learning about what our audience likes to see and some of the things they're not so keen on. But we're really looking forward to developing opportunities for families, particularly with young children, to come and experience a real kind of end-to-end event. So they can come in, maybe have breakfast on a Saturday morning, then come and see a family-friendly film, then maybe do some art. We have a gallery here, which is really interactive, and so families can walk through the gallery. We're going to have our multi-sensory garden. So it's not just coming to the cinema, which is of course incredibly important, and seeing the film is the highlight, but there's so much wraparound opportunity that we offer at Theatr Clwyd as well. So we're looking forward to developing that audience. And we're also looking forward to working with our elders and giving more of that kind of opportunity to come in, have maybe have an afternoon tea at Bryn Williams, and then come and see a film of the choice in the afternoon and when it's a bit quieter. And we are a new cinema, amazing technology, a 2K cinema screen, 7.1 audio system, and we have been completely refitted. Very comfortable seats, I have to say. I think these are the most comfortable seats in the whole theatre. And we also have a fantastic food and beverage offer just outside the cinema doors. So a lot to offer for the future.